Yo, quick question. What if a company you owned just a tiny piece of randomly sent you money for no extra work? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's exactly what's happening right now with SIC Insurance in Ghana. They're about to send cash to their shareholders. But before you rush to buy their stock, let's break down what's really going on and if it's even worth your time. Welcome the investment nerds, your personal guide to investing in the African stock market. Okay, so here's the news in plain English. SIC Insurance Company Limited has announced two main things. They're paying a final dividend for 2024. A dividend is simply a share of the company's profits that they decide to give back to their owners, the shareholders. Think of it like a bonus for believing in the company. The amount, they're paying GHS 0.0511 per share. So if you own 1,000 shares, you get GHS 51. If you own 10,000 shares, you get GHS 511. They're closing their register. This is just a fancy way of saying they're hitting pause to make a list. They need to know exactly who owns their shares on a specific date, so they know who to send the dividend money to. That date is Friday, December 19th, 2025. If you buy shares after that date, you won't get this particular cash payment. Here are the cold, hard facts you need to know. Pay date. The money will be sent out on Friday, January 16th, 2026. The ex-dividend date. This is Thursday, December 18th, 2025. This is the most important date for buyers. If you want to be on the list for this dividend, you must buy the shares on or before Wednesday, December 17. So, a GHS 0.0511 dividend on a GHS 1.25 share is about a 4% return just for holding it at the right time. That's actually a pretty significant percentage. This dividend is a sign the company is making enough profit to share some with owners, which is generally a good sign. It shows financial health. But the amount is very small in actual cash terms unless you own a lot of shares. For a beginner, this is more about learning the process, how dividends work, how key dates affect stock prices than about getting rich quick. Sometimes after the ex-dividend date, the share price drops by about the dividend amount anyway. This is just a breakdown of the news. This is not a recommendation to buy or sell SIC Insurance shares. Investing has risks, you can lose money. Always do your own research. Now I'm super curious about your take. Comment yes in the section below if you are excited about this. Don't forget to smash the like button, share, follow, and subscribe for more investment tips from the nerds.